How to disable caps lock notification on Windows 11. So if you want to disable the caps lock notification on Windows 11, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your search and you need to search for control panel. Search for control panel and then go with the upper right, which has that large icons option, and make sure that you've selected the large icons. And here you will have an option of ease of access center. Click on that. Here you just need to simply go with make the keyboard easier to use, and you'll have this kind of interface. And here you need to make sure that you've unselected turn on toggle keys, and then again turn on toggle keys by holding down the numlock key for 5 seconds. Make sure to toggle this off and then go with apply. And once you've done, you just need to simply scroll down and then go with make it easier to focus on tasks. And now you need to simply select turn off all unnecessary animations when possible. Click on that and then click on apply and then click on OK. Once you've done, you'll disable your caps lock notification on Windows 11. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.